Tesla just announced its vehicle delivery numbers for Q3. They delivered 365,000 vehicles during the third quarter of 2022. That compares to 258,850 vehicle deliveries in Q2 of this year. That is an improvement, but somewhat disappointing to Wall Street analysts. So, what does this mean for Tesla? What does it mean for the economy? And, what does it mean about the future of the United States? But, before we get into all of that, please press the like button and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Deliveries of vehicles represent sales data for Tesla. And although Q3 deliveries of 365,000 was impressive and a record for Tesla, it still fell a little short of Wall Street analysts' expectations. Tesla noted that they delivered 19,935 of the higher-priced Model S and X models. Total vehicle deliveries were up substantially from the prior quarter of 2022. Tesla said it made 258,580 vehicles in Q2 of this year. That Q2 number is up just slightly from Q3 vehicle deliveries of 254,695 vehicles in 2021. But, this year, Tesla is operating double the number of factories as compared to 2021. In 2021, Tesla had only the Fremont, California factory and the Shanghai, China factory operating. Now, Tesla has the Giga Berlin factory and the Giga Austin factories up and running. Although the new factories are not really up to full-scale production yet. And, the Shanghai Gigafactory has been beset by COVID lockdowns that have hobbled the Chinese economy. Production of the more expensive Model S and Model X vehicles is up by more than 100% as compared to Q3 of 2021. Last year, Tesla delivered only 8,491 of its S and X models during Q3. The Model S and the Model X are the more expensive stylish sedan and the SUV with Falcon wing doors. Tesla has had to deal with skyrocketing commodity prices during 2022. There has also been a good deal of employee turnover. Artificial intelligence team leader AI leader Andrej Karpathy left the company in July. There have also been some severe growing pains at Giga Berlin and Giga Austin. Tesla does not typically give out regional delivery data. So, we do not really know which factory manufactured what number of cars. Tesla also shut down the Giga Shanghai factory this summer in order to make some extensive upgrades. But, full-scale production at the Giga Shanghai factory had rebounded during August. In keeping with the rest of the big tech companies, Tesla laid off an entire AI office at the end of Q2. Other undisclosed layoffs were also made. Tesla has announced that it is enforcing a full return to office policy for all of its employees. CEO Elon Musk is requiring that all Tesla employees work at a Tesla office at least 40 hours every week. This applies to all employees, even those who previously worked from home. Certain employees were fired and others chose to resign following the announcement. Informal and anecdotal reports are saying that Tesla offices were crowded and uncomfortable during Q3. So, employees are suggesting that it was difficult to get any work done at some of the Tesla offices. The Fremont, California facility was particularly impacted, as was the Giga Nevada factory. But September brought celebrations and employee recognitions as executives lauded the hard work of employees in making the vehicle deliveries. August was a record month for the Fremont factory in terms of production, said one Tesla executive. The Giga Austin factory reached an important milestone of 1,000 cars per week production rate. But Tesla still faces headwinds from many directions. One particular challenge is skyrocketing commodity prices. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has said that the company may need to get into the lithium refining business. Tesla is investigating the possibility of building its own lithium hydroxide refining plant. The plan calls for the facility to be located somewhere on the Gulf Coast of Texas. Tesla could start building the refinery in the fourth quarter of 2022 if its application is approved by the state of Texas. Full-scale lithium production would take 2 years. Is this a good thing for Tesla? Is this a good thing for Texas? This refinery would be the first of its kind in North America, said a Tesla spokesperson. The refining plant would process raw ore material into a usable state for battery production, said Tesla. Lithium hydroxide for electric car batteries would be the end product of the refining plant. The resulting lithium hydroxide product would be sent to Tesla battery manufacturing plants worldwide. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said, "We may need to get into lithium refining because the cost of the metal had gone to insane levels. The price of lithium rose 120% in 2022 alone according to industry tracking Publicaton benchmark Mineral Intelligence. Tesla does not want its supply of its lithium and battery production to be held hostage, said Musk. Right now, over half of the lithium in the world comes from China. Only 1% of all lithium in the world comes from the United States. Tesla is also considering processing and refining various other metals at the same facility, according to the Texas Comptroller's office. If approved, construction could start later this year. But, only very early development activities have been completed so far. So far, no regulatory permits have been requested, Tesla said. Engineering, purchasing, and construction activities or other related contracts have not been signed or even negotiated yet. The refining plant could be located anywhere with access to the Gulf Coast shipping channel, Musk said. Locating the facility in Louisiana is also a possibility, according to Tesla. As it usually does, Tesla is asking for tax breaks from the state of Texas as a condition of locating the plant in the state. In the case of the investment on this proposed project in Texas, the decision will be based on a number of commercial and financial considerations, including the ability to obtain relief regarding local property taxes, according to the application. Lithium is essential for batteries that power electric cars, smartphones, and many other consumer products. The federal government is concerned about China dominating the world's supply of rare earth metals, such as lithium. Given the recent geopolitical tensions, key materials and technologies have become highly strategic. The U.S. government aims to catch up and surpass China in the mining and refining industry for rare earth materials. Tesla is not the only carmaker whose future lies with electric vehicles. General Motors CEO Mary Barra has announced that the company will transition to an all-electric product line. Starting in the fall of 2023, the transition begins in earnest with the all-electric Chevrolet Equinox EV. By 2035, all General Motors vehicles will be electric. General Motors' Ramos Arizpe factory in Mexico will manufacture the Chevy Equinox EV. Full-scale production volumes will take about 2 years. We can absolutely catch and surpass industry leader Tesla in U.S. sales of electric vehicles by 2025, said CEO Mary Barra. Rival Ford Motor Company has also announced its intention to convert its entire product line to electric vehicles. Ford already sells the F-150 Lightning pickup truck. It also sells the Mustang EV. But, so far, vertical integration of supply has not been part of the plan for Ford and GM. But, what do you think? Please leave a comment below and press the like button. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.